Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we got a new sync pair earlier, and time to level her up. We got Valerie, 9999 buff blends. Let's unlock her level cap
I'm one step closer to my dream
of becoming a Pokemon. I have excessive buff blends. I only need Tectonics
I'm one step closer to my dream
to unlock my level cap of my remaining characters.
I'm one step closer to my dream.
Uh-oh, I think we don't have enough gym leader notes, guys. Let's see if I can exchange 5 gym leader notes. Exchange items, general. Just go down, down, down. Use 500 of my skill capsules. If you don't play much, that is super not worth it. But it's okay.
I'm one step closer to my dream.
Time to teach her some moves and skills. Valerie, where are you? Valerie. There you go. Draining Kiss. Learn.
A captivating new move.
Not so delicate. Sharply raises user special defense and speed.
A captivating new move.
Passive skills. HP advantage. The more HP the user has remaining, the more it powers up moves. Interesting.
A captivating new move.
And guys, that's it. We are going to evolve her now, or level her up rather. I will leave the video like this, just letting her level up, level up, level up. Enjoy watching. I won't skip this. Just enjoy. By the way, 560 2-star level up manuals, guys. From her existing level 29, if I'm not mistaken, to 120. And my class is about to start soon, guys, so I am going to leave this for you guys to watch.
metamorphosis feels like?
And that's it, guys. She's now at level 120. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video.